Hi guys, if your Sanyo TV has no picture, no sound and it's keep freezing, a factory reset or a quick reset is going to fix this particular issue. So in this guide, you are going to learn the correct way to reset your Sanyo TV step by step. So first of all, you need to check if your Sanyo TV is Roku based or a standard LED model. Now, if you see a Roku home screen, the reset steps are slightly different. So this matters because the reset path depends on the system your TV is using. So in order to reset it, first of all, you just have to simply press the menu button on your remote. So when you press the menu button, you are going to see the setup on your screen. So you just have to simply go to the system. Then inside the system, you just have to simply find the reset button. And then underneath that reset option, you are going to see the factory reset option. So when you select the option of factory reset, you will be asked to enter the default pin, which is usually 0000, or sometimes it can be 1234. And you need to enter these details and simply confirm it. So this resets the picture, sound and system settings back to default. Now on your remote, you can also press the home button and then you can just go to the settings. After that, in the settings, go to the system, then go to advanced system settings. So here too, you are going to see the factory reset option. So confirm it using the on-screen code, and this is also going to fully clear the applications accounts and it will fix the software related display issues. Thanks for watching.